Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering what you need: your Ofpra dossier number, date of birth, and the email or phone used when submitting. Once done, open a modern browser and ensure cookies and secure connections are enabled so the portal works reliably. Make sure you know whether you used a representative. If so, you need their authorization details. These first steps save time and prevent account lockouts, so double-check entries before proceeding to the login screen. You now log into the Ofpra portal with your credentials. Complete any two-step verification quickly, because codes often expire. Once inside, go straight to your personal space and look for sections labeled My Files, Decisions, or Correspondence. Use filtering by dossier number or submission date to narrow results. Once you spot the decision, open the PDF and check the header for the official date and reference number. Make sure to download and save. Finish by noting the decision date, required actions, and any appeal deadlines so you won't miss legal time limits. Write them down and set reminders. If you can't find the decision, request a status update via the portal or resend identification details as instructed, because missing files are often clerical. If the site shows errors, clear your cache, try another browser, or repeat login on a different device. If problems persist, contact Ofpra support with your dossier number and screenshots for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.